Hello beautiful community. I currently have a lot going on in the shed and seem to be having trouble getting back to the lathe. And to make matters worse, I had an accident the other day with a couple of steel beams, and the steel won the battle. Both my mother and wife have been giving me all sorts of advice on how to treat just a little scratch. Anyway, it reminded me of a close encounter with a piece of red gum sleeper many moons ago. So sit back and enjoy the little trip back into the archives.